Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your push to start button on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the button is broken, damaged, or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a flathead screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the appliance that we'll be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Keep in mind yours at home might look a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. So this is our push to start button here, and we're going to be replacing that. So in order to do that, we're going to pull it off, and if you can't seem to get it off because it's tight on there, you can use a screwdriver for some leverage. So we're going to use a flathead screwdriver and just pry it off nice and gentle so we do not scratch the paint or anything, and it comes right off just like that. So now you can grab your new OEM replacement push to start button. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So you can see on the back of our button here, we've got that D-shaped hole, and that's going to line up with the D shape on that little knob right there that it goes on. So you can line it up and push it straight on, and you can see right there it works nice and good, and it's nice and tight on there, it's not coming off. So now you can push your button and start that load of laundry you need to do. So I think I hear music coming from my printer again. I think the paper's jamming. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.